Hello student, in previous video we have completed up to question number 2nd from exercise 5.1. Here I take question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is given, label the following angles and name them in different ways. Okay, this is the question. First A example figure is given like that. You have to name this angle, okay, in different ways and identify the types of angle also. Okay, so here I write A, B and C. Then how you name the angle? That is angle ABC. We can write angle ABC or angle CBA. At which vertex angle is formed? B vertex. Therefore, here we take this point or this vertex at the middle. Okay. Therefore, you can write this angle as CBA also. Same angle. Okay. If you take any variable here x, then you can write angle x also. So in this way we can name the angles in different way. Okay students, I hope you understand that. Then we have to write the type of angle. Now this angle is, the measure of this angle is less than 90. Therefore type of angle is what? Acute angle. This is the acute angle. Clear? See the next example. Here I take C example. Figure is given like that. Okay. Name this angle P, and here Q, and this is R. Okay. Then we can write angle PQR or angle PRPQ, or you can take any variable here. If I take here Y, then this is right. You can write angle Y. In this way we can name the given angle. Now, what is the type of this angle? If you see this angle, measure of this angle is greater than 90. Okay? The measure of angle is greater than 90 and less than 180, then that angle is called the obtuse angle. Now, what is the type of the angle? That is the obtuse angle. Okay, student? We will see the different types of the angle in next question. Understood? Now see question number 4. In question number 4 some figures are given. Answer the question. First given, how many rays are there in figure 1? Figure 1 is given like that. Here you have to, how many rays are there in figure 1? How many rays are there? That is OA. This is the first ray, then OB, OC and OD. Total how many rays are there? 4 rays. 4 rays. Okay. Then second question, name the line segment in figure 2. Figure 2 is given like that. Line segment. Name the line segment. This is the line segment, second line segment, and this is the third line segment. Then we can write segment AB. Okay. Segment BC and segment CD. Okay. These three are the line segment in the given figure. Then third example is given. Write the concurrent lines and concurrent point. Okay. Now what do you mean by the concurrent lines? Two or more lines which intersect at or passing through the single point. Then that lines are called the concurrent lines and that point is called the point of concurrent or concurrent point. In this figure, see here, from point A, which lines are passing? Line L, okay, then line L and line L. Okay. These three lines are passing through the point what? A single point. Therefore, these three lines are the concurrent line. Therefore, here I write line L, N and line R are the concurrent line, and at which point? At point A, and this is the concurrent point. Okay student. Similarly, line N and line Q, line N and line Q, okay, these two lines are passing through this point, C point. Okay. Therefore, line N and line Q are the congruent line and point C is the congruent point. Therefore, here I write line N and line Q, and at which point? At point C. Sorry, at point B. It is passing through. Okay. This is the point of congruent. Then see the next example. Next example, question number 5. Identify the types of angle. Some figures are given there. You have to identify the types of angle. You have the idea about the types of angle. Acute angle, angle less than 90 degree. 90 degree, this is the right angle. Greater than 90 and less than 180 is the obtuse angle. 180 degree is the straight angle. Greater than 180 and less than 360 is the reflex angle, and 360 degree is the complete angle. These are the types of the angle. Now in given figure, figure A is given. See on page number 91, question number 5. It is given 90 degree angle. Therefore type of angle is what? Right angle. This is the answer. Then B figure, this angle is given less than 90 degree. Therefore type of angle is what? Acute angle. See the third figure. The measure of this angle is also less than 90 degree. Therefore type of this angle is also what? Acute angle. D example, angle is given like that. Okay. This is the straight angle. Measure of this angle is equal to what? 180 degree. Type of this angle is the straight angle. Then E example, again 90 degree angle it is given. Therefore type of angle is what? Right angle. In F figure, the measure of angle is greater than 90 degree. Type of angle is what? Obtuse angle. Then in G figure, again straight angle is given. The measure of this angle is what? 180 degree. Therefore type of this angle is what? Straight angle. In this way you have to complete the question number 5. Now note down your homework. Question number 3, the remaining two example B and D. Name the angles and types of the angle from question number 3. That you have to complete. This is all for today, student. Thank you. Thank you very much.